In this video, we're going to have a look at creating flows so you can see when someone's uploaded some content in one of your channels in Microsoft Teams. So when you upload content in a chat conversation, you get a notification. But when you've got a team in a channel like I'm currently in, and I've got loads of folders and myself and my team collaborate in those daily, I might want to send a notification to myself or anyone else in the team when a document gets uploaded. It could be that every time my team does a process, they upload a document covering all the detail, and I just want to know that something's in there. There isn't a function directly in Teams, but what you may not know is when a team is created, a SharePoint site is automatically created for that team, and you can use the flows in that to create some really nice notifications for yourself. And I'm just going to cover a really simple one here, but you can make it as complicated as you want. So I'm in my Files tab in my channel, and just at the top towards the right hand corner, I can see Open in SharePoint. So I'm going to open my File tab in SharePoint, and that's going to open my browser. So the exact same content is on my screen, but now you can see in the top left hand corner, I've got SharePoint open. And what I need to be looking at when I get in here is the three dots on the function bar. So lots of options here, but the three dots is what I want to go near. So when I click on the three dots, I want to look for Automate and Power Automate. And you might need, and then create a flow. You might need to turn this on the first time when you get in there. You might need to sign in if you've never used Power Automate before. But as soon as I click on Create a Flow, I can see there I've got some quick options. The top one is the one we're going to use today. Send a customized email when a new file is added. So a notification so I can see when that content's in there. You can see you've got loads more options, and you can create your own flows as well. So if it's something you're interested in, you can really go and delve into that and find loads of great options to automate your tasks, your workflows as part of a team, and get those notifications when you need them. So I'm just going to click on Send a Customized Email when a new file is added. So I'll just open it up here, Power Automate, and like I said, I've been in here before, but you might get a sign-in page and you just need to click and sign in to kick it off for the first time. And you might need to decide whether you want emails or marketing sent to you. Once you've done that and you're in here, if you just scroll down, you can see all of the different options. And I'm, again, because I've used it before, I'm connected to Outlook, SharePoint and 365 users, and I can see my business email in there as well. I can switch accounts, or I can just leave it as it is because it's me who's going to get these. So I'm just going to come down to the bottom and click on Create Flow. And it's going to take a second because it's going to create that flow. But once done, it'll take me to the next screen. And it might take a few seconds, like I said, but it's taken me now to my screen where I can see information about the customized email, my flow that I've created. So every time a piece of content gets added into the file section on that channel, I'm going to get an email to confirm it. I can play around with it on here. I've got options to edit at the top. I can also delete it. I can change it. I can save different things. I can look at analytics so I can see how many emails I'm getting, if that's going to be quite useful. And I can also turn it off at the top as well. So nice, useful functions at the top. Then down the right hand side, I can see those connections that I could edit now that I've created it. So I can change who it goes to, or it might go to multiple people. So a great way of keeping track on what content is coming into your file tab in Microsoft Teams channels. Have a go at that. It looks scary at first, Power Automate, but actually it's quite simple and easy to use. There's some great help tools, and just work through the process like I did, and you'll easily be able to create some quick workflow notifications so you can get on with your day job and stop from checking your channel every so often.